Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make strawberry champorado. Champorado is my all-time favorite dish along with my unforgettable part of my childhood memories, especially in rainy and cold seasons. It is a rice pudding usually known with its chocolate flavor, but today let's give it a try for a champorado dish with a twist of sweet strawberries and milk flavor. So here are the ingredients that we will be needing in making our strawberry champorado. Let's start with our fresh sweet strawberries, sticky rice rinsed and drained, white sugar, all-purpose cream, water, milk powder with strawberry flavor, and of course we're going to use chocolate bar, strawberries, and strawberry cookies as our toppings. So let's start. First, we're going to slice our strawberries into small sizes. And after that, we're going to heat up some water to boil. Let's add in a pinch of salt, and we're going to wait until it boils before adding our next ingredient. Our water is already boiling, so we just have to add now our sticky rice. And we can also add now our sliced strawberries together with our sticky rice, and let's just wait until it boils again. Let's just simmer it. I usually simmer it or boil it for almost half an hour, I guess, until that I begin to notice that the grains of rice already burst into shape and getting sticky. It's good to check it from time to time so that we're going to avoid our rice from sticking into our pat. Let's check it again if it's already getting sticky or thick. Finally, I think it's good enough to add our next ingredient. I'm going to add now our sugar. And I'm going to stir it in. I'm also going to put in now our powdered sugar with strawberry flavor. I'm gonna mix it and let's just wait until there's no more lumps. After that, let's cover the pot and let it simmer for just at least a minute. So finally, we're going to put in now our last ingredient. It is our all-purpose cream. Let's just give it a quick mix and then we're going to cover the pot and we're going to turn off the heat right away. And it's all done. We can now finely plate it, put some toppings on top, and serve it already while it's hot. Hope you will like it, guys. Just don't forget to please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming recipes. Thank you!